Today, we will share about you must pass the 5 spiritual tests of faith before your real life shifts. Let's start. In the journey of life, we are often presented with challenges designed to draw out our inner strengths, foster resilience, and deepen our connection with the spiritual and divine aspects of existence. While these trials may appear formidable, they are, in fact, crucial for our inner evolution. Here, we explore 5 fundamental spiritual tests that may precede a positive shift in our reality. The test of faith. Life has a way of unraveling around us, not to shatter our spirits, but to examine the resilience of our faith. Moments of financial strain, accumulating bills, sudden health challenges, or the loss of a loved one can all shake the foundations of our faith. When faced with empty pockets or a dire diagnosis, it becomes easy to lose sight of our convictions. However, these are precisely the moments when we are urged to remain composed. Maintaining calm doesn't imply ignoring our problems, rather, it signifies a strength that refrains from succumbing to panic. Embracing these challenges is an opportunity for spiritual introspection, an occasion to strengthen our faith. Consider it akin to a gardener pruning a tree, painful, yet essential for new growth. With each trial, we gain insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and areas that demand our attention. It may hurt, but it is a process of spiritual refinement, paving the way for personal growth. The test of patience. In a world that thrives on speed, life occasionally demands that we pause and wait. This seemingly inconvenient interruption can feel like a significant impediment. Yet, what if this pause is not a cessation but a test in itself? Waiting challenges us to shift our mindset and discover inner serenity amid the chaos of the rapidly advancing world. Waiting is particularly challenging when we sense a profound calling or feel destined for something greater. The frustration that accompanies a delay can erode our confidence and determination. However, such moments serve as opportunities for stillness and reflection. Waiting, far from being a passive act, is an active form of spiritual practice. It offers a chance to reconnect with our inner selves, gaining a clearer perspective on our values. The longer the wait, the more profound the joy upon the arrival of the awaited opportunity, fostering a deeper appreciation for the journey that led us there. The test of detachment. Imagine holding a bird in your hand, appreciating its beauty, colors, and freedom. Love for the bird is undeniable. However, squeezing your hand to retain it harms the very object of your affection. The lesson here is that sometimes, love necessitates letting go. Attachment, though a powerful force, can distract us from our spiritual paths when it becomes all-consuming. The universe may intervene by removing the object of our attachment, not to inflict pain but to spur growth. This test urges us to reassess our priorities, to discern whether we serve our spiritual purpose or cling to earthly attachments. Letting go isn't synonymous with losing love, rather, it signifies prioritizing a higher calling over worldly ties. It's an act of courage and love towards oneself and the divine. Each successful completion of this test brings us closer to our true selves and our ultimate missions, freeing us from the chains of attachment. The test of humility. Humility, often misconstrued as weakness, is, in fact, a powerful strength. On our spiritual journey, we encounter moments where we could bask in personal glory, dominate conversations, or let our egos run amok. However, these instances serve as examinations from the universe, questioning our ability to maintain self-awareness and power without overpowering. As we ascend in spiritual understanding or achieve success, there's a temptation to look down upon others. The universe observes not only our handling of failure but also our response to success. This test challenges us to rise without stepping on others, to offer a hand to lift others rather than using them as stepping stones. Success, when achieved with humility, aligns us more closely with our higher spiritual selves. The test of forgiveness. Forgiveness, seemingly a simple act, stands among the most formidable spiritual tests. It's easy to hold on to grudges, let anger fester, or replay past wrongs. Yet, forgiveness is not about absolving the other person, it's about liberating oneself. The universe introduces challenges that test our capacity to forgive, old wounds or fresh betrayals that trigger justified anger. Success in this test involves a conscious choice to let go, acknowledging that forgiveness is the key to freeing ourselves from the shackles of pain and resentment. It's an acknowledgement that we are ready to move forward. True forgiveness is more than words, it's a profound transformation within, where the mere thought of the person or event no longer stirs a storm of emotions. This test, though arduous, leads to the deepest peace and a profound connection with our higher selves. Each of these spiritual tests, whether centered on faith, patience, detachment, humility, or forgiveness, contributes to our metamorphosis into stronger, wiser, and more spiritually aligned individuals. Though the tests may seem daunting in the moment, they serve as preparations for a reality that harmonizes seamlessly with our soul's purpose. It is my sincere wish that you navigate these spiritual tests successfully. If this message resonates with you, consider sharing it with someone else on their spiritual journey. May your day be filled with blessings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.